The hypervisor world is changing. You're under increasing cost complexity and pressure, and the right migration path isn't always clear. Now you're being asked to move workloads to a new platform, but can you rely on your backup platform to move with you? Here's the catch. Most backup tools were built for a single platform. Move a workload to a different hypervisor, and the tool you trusted can't follow. Veeam protects the broadest range of platforms in the market. Every major hypervisor, plus physical, cloud, and SaaS. So when you move a workload to a new platform, your protection moves with it. But coverage is only half the story. When your data is tied to one environment, a migration can mean starting over, rebuilding jobs, and losing the restore history you depend on. Veeam's cross-platform restore brings your existing restore points back into the platform you choose. Restore a pre-migration restore point straight into a new platform. History intact. That same portability reaches the cloud. Instant recovery to Azure brings workloads online in minutes, or spins up an isolated clean room without ever touching production. You never lose recovery during the migration. Your history follows the workload wherever it lands. There's one more cost that adds up. If every hypervisor needs its own backup tool, you're buying, learning, and managing separate solutions for each one. With Veeam, one license covers all workloads. Veeam Universal Licensing is portable. It follows the workload across platforms, so when you migrate, your licensing moves with you. No rebuying per hypervisor, no stranded licenses. One platform, one license, every workload, wherever it runs. The migration is done, your recovery history is still there, and you've never lost resilience. The next platform change, wherever it comes, won't force your data protection to start over either. That's what it means to have data protection built for a world that never sits still. As your business grows, your resilience strategy evolves with you, and Veeam stays the steady foundation you can trust through every change. See how Veeam keeps pace wherever you're headed. Start your free trial or book some time with a Veeam expert today.